back to another video. Yeah guys, so we're at the river. Yesterday I showed you how it did stay yesterday, like really rough, but it dried down already. So there it even look so much. But it's kind of rough guys, but we still go do the video, so stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Let's get the channel to 20,000 subscribers. Want to do 10 video in that area before me copy out. So yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see what I want for the water guys. Kinda rough, but not all that rough here. People are saying we got too rough. It's not too rough anyway. River bit. Guys, they might say river too rough, but I don't see very rough. Not all that rough. Here, scratch me. manage the rough inside water, guys. It's too rough. I have to throw away my slippers. I have to throw away my slippers, guys. I have to throw away my slippers because something little foot away at me said. So, come back one stone, roll down from my foot. So, it's so nice at all. The water too rough. You have to know what you do. Picnic can't swim down here. Throw me heavy, make it water and take me away. Throw me no light. But if you're light and you don't have much weight, I'm going to go with you. I'm going to go. And it don't look rough enough, but right after, look out. See if I got something else that we can manage it, but from me go a while ago. Determined to do what water determined to what you do. And if it's not if we never ever listen. If we ever like that for that water go with me, you know, guys, if me have a whole lot, just the water don't bring me away, no? Rough man. By tomorrow, it's a good day, I want more eat. As long as no rain no fall, it's a good day, I want easier, it's a good run with it easier. Tomorrow, I'm going to go look for like a couple more. All of this week, guys, appear with the videos, and then next week we're going to get um, cooking ones. Depends. I don't know, we might just mix the bamboo too. I don't know. Water na cool. Maybe this year the longer in might start really cold, but as now, cold to me. Why? Why is it weird here? Here, guys. Go back to the balance. Anyway, guys, it's the end of today's video, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Let's get up to 30,000, and guys, have a productive 2026, right? Let's do this.